Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today we're gonna make that easy feta pasta recipe that you've been seeing all over TikTok. We're gonna try it out and see how it is. So to make this feta pasta, it's really simple. Just start off with a casserole dish, and we're gonna add to that some olive oil. You want to use about 1/8 of a cup to 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Just squirt it in there. Next, we're gonna add a block of feta cheese. I just got the whole block from the grocery store, just like that. Put it right in the middle. Then we're going to add some cherry tomatoes and just line all the way around the outside of the feta cheese with the cherry tomatoes. Very simple to do. Once that's done, you can add a little more of the olive oil on top of the cherry tomatoes, just so they don't burn. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of garlic salt. Now just bake this at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. When the oven reaches temperature, open it up and put the dish in. Set our timer for 30 minutes. So when there's 12 to 15 minutes left on your feta cheese and cherry tomatoes in the oven, we're gonna make pasta. Any kind of pasta will do, and just pick your favorite, follow the box directions, and that's it. And here we go, look at that. That looks beautiful. Now we're just gonna take a fork and kind of mix in that cheese and those tomatoes, kind of smash them down a little bit. Then we're gonna add our pasta, and I've already drained this, so just pour it on in. Just mix this in. Now let's try out our feta pasta. It's very hot. It is good. Delicious. So this definitely was an easy way to make pasta, for sure. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this easy feta pasta recipe. It was delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button and check out this video right here, and I'll see you next time. Left on your feta cheese. No. We're gonna and go with it. No. And once that's done, all you can do, then we're gonna add our pasta. I've already Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this easy feta pasta recipe.